Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and cloud skill for free.
Welcome to the Ansible Automation Series. Begin your journey to mastering automation. Hello and welcome back to the Ansible Automation Series on NXG Clouds. Today we're diving into the essential lab setup for Ansible tutorials. If you haven't set up your lab environment, I recommend watching my previous video on VMware Workstation RHEL 9.6 and configuring the network. Lab setup overview: laptop with VMware Workstation, IP of host laptop 192.168.10.1, Ansible server 192.168.10.128, client system 192.168.10.129. With this setup, we're ready to build an Ansible client-server architecture for future tutorials. Step 1. Installing and configuring Ansible on the server. First, let's connect to our Ansible server. Open your terminal and SSH into the server. Run the command ssh root at 192.168.10.128 to connect. Provide the root password when prompted. Now, let's update the system and install Ansible.
Step 1. Check if the system is registered by running the command to check the subscription status. Subscription Manager list shows the product status. Step 2. If the system is not registered, use the command to register it with your credentials. Output confirms registration with ID and system name. Step 3. Enable repositories for Ansible and other packages using Subscription Manager. Step 4. Install Ansible with the DNF Package Manager. Confirm installation by checking the Ansible version.
After installing Ansible, configure the inventory and enable passwordless SSH for automation tasks. This foundational step supports effective management. The Ansible inventory defines the hosts that Ansible will control. It's typically located at /ansible/hosts. An inventory file can contain individual hosts, grouped hosts, and specific variables. It supports formats like ini, YAML, or dynamic scripts. To add managed nodes, open the inventory file using a text editor. You can use Vim to edit the file located at /Ansible's hosts. Define managed nodes by adding their IP address under a group. For example, use web for web servers. Save and exit after editing. To set up passwordless SSH access, generate an SSH key pair on the Ansible server. Accept the default file location and leave the passphrase empty. Use the SSH copy ID command to copy the public key to the client node. Ensure to store it in the client's authorized keys file. Verify passwordless SSH access by testing the connection to the client node. You should log in without a password prompt. To test Ansible connectivity, run Ansible all-m ping from the server. A successful output indicates proper setup. If issues arise, check the inventory file and SSH configuration for accuracy in IPs and user details.
Let's dive into some essential Ansible commands that every sysadmin should know. First up, we can quickly check if our client servers are alive and kicking with a simple ping command, Ansible all-m ping. It's like sending a friendly hello to all your servers at once. Next, let's keep an eye on disk space. Running Ansible alm shell, a DFH, gives us a clear view of how much space is left on each server. It's crucial to know if we're running out of room for those important files. Now, memory is just as vital. With Ansible all-m shell, a free M, we can check how much memory is being used and how much is free. This helps us ensure our applications are running smoothly without hitting any bottlenecks. Uptime with Ansible all-m shell, uptime. This command tells us how long our servers have been running since their last reboot. It's a great way to gauge stability and performance.
We're releasing a series dedicated to Ansible automation, covering everything you need to simplify and automate your tasks. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons in this learning series. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues eager to learn. Join our WhatsApp group provided in the description for free courses, updates, and exclusive content. See you in the next video. Happy automating!